Hey there. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, High-Tech Bravo. Today, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. Have you ever had trouble with your laptop not showing image and video thumbnails correctly? Well, you're in luck because we're going to show you how to fix that issue in no time. Let's dive right in. Step 1, Access Folder Options. First, go to your desktop or open File Explorer on your laptop. Step 2, click View tab, click on the View tab at the top of the window. Step 3, select Options and Change Folder and Search Options. From there, select Options on the right and then Change Folder and Search Options. Step 4, go to the View tab in Folder Options. In the Folder Options window, navigate to the View tab. Step 5, uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Now, make sure to uncheck the option that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Step 6, Apply and OK, click Apply, and then OK, to save your changes. Step 7, Restart your laptop. There you have it, a quick and easy way to fix thumbnail preview problems on your laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.